Freshservice is a powerful IT service management software, but before you pull the trigger, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a way to try it for free and unlock exclusive benefits. Let's dive right into it. First up, Freshservice shines in its awesome, user-friendly interface. Whether you're a tech newbie or an experienced IT professional, its clean, intuitive design makes it easy to get started. Compared to some competitors like ServiceNow, which can feel like a maze to navigate, Freshservice keeps things simple and straightforward. That's a big plus for companies looking for a fast implementation with minimal training. Next thing, automation. Freshservice offers powerful automation features that can save your team a lot of time. From ticket routing to SLA management, you can automate repetitive tasks with ease. It's similar to what you get with Zendesk. But with Freshservice, it's all about customizing workflows to fit your specific needs. If you're tired of managing mundane tasks manually, automation in Freshservice could be a game changer for your team. The third thing to note is integration capabilities. Freshservice integrates seamlessly with a range of popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft 365, among others. If you're running a hybrid tech stack, Freshservice is much easier to integrate compared to other tools like Jira Service Management, which can often require extra plugins or customization. This means less headache and faster setup. The fourth thing is pricing. Freshservice offers competitive pricing, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. While ServiceNow can get pretty expensive, Freshservice gives you a solid balance of features without breaking the bank. The value you get for the cost makes it a very attractive option for growing companies. Next, let's talk about on-customer support. Freshservice's customer support is quick to respond and offers a robust knowledge base, chat support, and even a community forum. Unlike some of its competitors, like Zoho Desk, which can be hit or miss with their support teams, Freshservice's team is generally praised for being highly responsive and knowledgeable. This can make all the difference when you're in a pinch and need quick resolutions. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Kanzi, scalability. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, Freshservice scales with you. You can start with the basic plan and grow into the more advanced features as your business needs change. Unlike some software that requires costly upgrades when you outgrow your plan, Freshservice makes scaling relatively easy and affordable, which makes it a solid long-term choice. Finally, Pesilata reports and analytics. Freshservice provides robust reporting capabilities that give you insights into your IT operations. If you're coming from a tool like Freshdesk, which has decent reporting, you'll find Freshservice's analytics to be a step up with more customization options. Detailed reports on ticket status, team performance, and SLA compliance can help you make data-driven decisions to improve your workflows. If you're considering trying out Freshservice, you can get a free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll not only get the chance to explore all the features, but also gain exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your IT service management. So, if you're looking for a simple, scalable, and feature-rich IT service management software, Freshservice could be the solution for you. Just click the link below to start your free trial today.